finally, our last transaction, transaction K, on May 31st, the end of the month, Alice, the owner, took $88 out of her business checking account to pay her home phone bill. So, looking at the chart of accounts, which two accounts are affected? Well, cash is going down, and what's the other account? Is this a business expense? No, it cannot be a business expense because she's using the business money to pay her home phone bill. So this is a withdrawal. So let's start with a withdrawal account. Alice Angel, comma, withdrawals. What category does the account belong to? It's an owner's equity account. And is the account increasing or decreasing? So does she have more withdrawals or less withdrawals? She has more withdrawals. So withdrawals are like expenses and revenues. They almost always increase. They almost never decrease except at the end of the accounting period, which we will see in Chapter 4. So if withdrawals are increasing, is that a debit or a credit? That's a debit. And what's the other account that's affected? Well, she took cash out of her business, so cash is going down. What type of account is cash? It's an asset, and the company's cash is going down. And then if we look at the accounting grid, if cash is going down, hopefully you're getting the hang of this by now, that must be a credit. Now we need to enter the transaction in the journal. So get out your journal page, skip a line between transaction J and transaction K. And the first thing we're going to record is the date, May 31st. Then we're going to list the debit account. Which account was the debit account? It's the withdrawal account. The amount was $88. And then we have cash going down by $88. And then we have an explanation. In the real world, the check number would be a good idea to add, but they did not provide us with a check number, so we can't add it to our explanation. Then we just need to post this into the ledger, which is in the form of the T accounts. So here's our transaction. We always post the debit first. So I'm going to increase withdrawals by 88 with the letter K. And then cash is going down, $88, letter K. And finally, double check. Do you have a debit and a credit that are the same amount? Under withdrawals, we have a debit for $88, and under cash, we have a credit for $88.